So I just paid off one of my mortgages, and I want to show you what is the next step you have to do after you pay off the mortgage with the insurance company. And since I bought this house subject to, we have to not only take off the current mortgage company, the lender, but we also have to take off the seller. Because remember, when you buy subject to, you have to keep an insurance policy in the seller's name. So let's take a trip down to my insurance agent and see how this process is done. We have to be vigilant after we pay off these mortgages. It's all up to us. Ain't no more escrow with your lender and for taxes and insurance. Let's roll. Greetings, class. This is Chris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. We're here at my broker's, my insurance agent. I guess he's not a broker. He'd probably be an agent. I'm here. He's an agent. Mark Crump. I support him. Cut that. So we're here chilling with Mark at Mark Crump's office. He's an insurance agent. He has all my policies. But today I want him to remove my mortgage company off of my insurance policy, so I don't have to worry about that. You have to step up and be a big boy. You have to be big boys and girls. When you pay off a house, you have to take your future into your own hands. Say for instance, if my house were to burn down, or if I had a claim after I paid the loan off, and then they made the payment out to the mortgage company and me. And remember, I bought this house subject to the existing financing. So also, take a look at this. The mortgagee, as well as an additional insured, I had to put the seller's name on the additional insured on this policy so it would satisfy the lender. So when you take over payment subject to, you got to make sure that you keep a policy in the seller's name. So let's go get rid of the seller and the mortgagee off this house, off this insurance policy. Is that cool? Yeah. You learning. So we're in Hampton, Virginia, and I wanted you to meet my insurance agent. Just to let you know, I try to keep a business local if I can. We're right here on Mercury Boulevard. We'll give him a pan. Beautiful day, beautiful day. It's a good day to get rid of a mortgage company, isn't it? Good day to get rid of a mortgagee. Once you pay the house off, you're gonna have to take responsibility for taxes and insurance. No one's gonna remind you. Generally speaking, when you pay your monthly payment to the mortgage company, when they pay the insurance, if anything happens and the insurance policy doesn't get paid, they notify the mortgage company. They notify, right? But now, nobody's gonna notify you once you take the mortgagee off, all right? And you pay that loan. All right, so let's come on inside. Hey, how you doing?
Great, come in, Christy.
Chris here to see Mark Crump, please.
Okay, I'll let him know you're here.
So this is my insurance guy. I like to keep business local, support local business if I can. If we can, I recommend you to do that too for your local community.
Mr. Haskins, he'll be right out.
Okay, thank you. This is cool, paying off, getting the mortgagee off. And you know what, if you want to see the full principal pay down of me, I recorded the whole thing. Just go right there, me paying down this loan.
Chris, what's going on, brother?
How you doing?
Good, how's everything?
Good to see you.
What brings you in today?
I want to remove a mortgagee off of a loan that I just paid off.
Just paid off a loan?
Yes.
That's fantastic, fantastic. I'll tell you what, I'm going to get you with Shaniqua. She can get that taken care of for you.
Cool, sounds good.
Come on back.
That's the man.
Shaniqua, Mr. Haskins.
Hello.
Hey. He did what we all want to do. He just paid off a loan. Can you assist him?
Congratulations.
Well, thank you.
Mortgagee clause taken care of. Can you assist him with that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Mark.
Thanks, Chris.
Okay.
All right, so let's get you pulled up.
Insurance agents here, they're gonna do it. You know what? Thank you for my daughter recording today, Taylor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And is this the primary residence?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
Got it. Paying off. Did you want to sit down? Oh, you don't have to zoom in on the screen if you don't want. So what we're going to do today, you can have a seat, buddy. We're going to ask her to take the lender off, right? So if anything happens, the house burns down, they cut the check out directly to
Exactly.
So let me ask you, any other benefits you can direct, or what would you say? Do you do this a lot, or just give us some nuggets on paying, being responsible and after you pay the loan off?
It's very important to make sure that after you pay the loan off that you do come to your insurance carrier and remove the mortgagee clause. Because God forbid something happens and the insurance company needs to cut a check. If the mortgagee is still on there, they would cut the check to the mortgagee and you. And so then you would have to go and it would be a whole big process trying to get that check cashed and to get your house fixed. So therefore it's very important to go ahead and once that mortgage is paid off, go ahead and get that mortgagee taken off so any proceeds or anything from any insurance claims go directly to you.
Yeah, man, that's what we want. No more lender, y'all. I'm sick of y'all. Your banks, you cut off from me. You cut off.
All right, and so we have removed that, and so now it's all on you. It's free and clear.
Let me say one more thing. I had an additional because I bought this house in a funky way. I had an additional payee. I need to remove them too.
Remove them too? Okay, awesome.
Done. Because we bought this house. Remember, y'all, we bought it subject to. I had to keep the seller on the policy so you can whack them too.
So everybody's off. So
except us. Except
y'all. It's just so that's what we've done. So we've gone in and taken both of those off. So now it is just you on the house.
I'm good. Okay. So
you are good.
If it burns down, the check will be cut to me.
Correct.
All right. Can I get a printout of that?
Yeah, absolutely.
It'd be nice to have that in the file so I can look at it and think I did something. So what I'll do, y'all, I'll show you the new policies because you saw the old one out there, and it'll be no additional payee. I'm done with it. No more. So Taylor, you really don't know what's going on, but this is a big deal. Okay.
Absolutely. Paying off the house is a huge deal. Huge deal.
All right.
And so typically where you would see the mortgagee would be right here, and as you can see, it's completely blank.
Blank, great. I love it.
And there you go.
Okay. I like blanks, y'all. I like blanks. Anything else?
That's it. You are good to go. Was there anything else I could assist you with today?
We're good.
All right, awesome.
All right, let's do this.
You all have a great day.
You too. All right, so you guys have hung with me today. We removed our lender off the insurance policy. You're hanging out with us. If I've helped you in any way, subscribe to the channel, like this content, and share with any other investors that are trying to build wealth. Wealth has to be built. It takes time. It takes time. Anything you want to share, my friend Taylor?
No. All you did was what? Pay off a mortgage?
That's all I did.
Well, no. You also came here to what? Turn it in?
Well, you have to get them to take the mortgage company off.
Oh.
If the house burns down, they'll pay the mortgage company. They won't pay me.
Okay.
All right. See you on the next video roundup. Peace.